Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to BeDistinct. Thank you guys so much for joining in again. Today we are going to be painting our calipers on the G35 green, so it's gonna look a little bit, distinct. Now I don't know, it's gonna look different. I'm excited and I can't wait to show you guys. Now I want to start the video right now because it's a long process and I don't want it to be doing it at sunset when the night goes down. I want to do this like fast, so we're gonna go get that done. I'm gonna show you the way I'm gonna do it because there's a lot of different ways to do it. And without further ado, let's begin this video. I'm gonna try to make my video short just because I don't want you guys waiting and stuff like that. I know how tired and sucky long videos can be. So without further ado, let's begin the video. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was kind of scared to drop this video because the way I'm gonna do it is like the way this other YouTuber did a throttle, and he wanna go ahead and he painted the brake pads. Now I thought that method is literally easy and it works, and my excuse for that is that my brake pads are actually due, and so I was like, might as well just break the brake. I'm about to switch them out anyway, so that's my excuse. But then again, I don't know if that cuts it. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do that method, and if you guys don't know what method that is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. But it's definitely the easiest way. It's super easy to do, but is it the right correct way? That's the controversial part. That's like probably not, but it is what it is. That's the way I'm gonna do it, and I would appreciate it if you guys don't bash on me. But if you guys want to bash on me, if you guys want to be that guy, go ahead, bash down in the comment section below. Also guys, yesterday we went to a Chevrolet dealership. My dad's actually trying to buy a Corvette, right? He's trying to get a Z06, but I don't know, should he get a 2017 like a C7 Z06, or should we just wait for a C8 Corvette? It's about to announce this Thursday, I believe, and you guys will probably hear my G35 start. So without further ado, a cold startup, and let's back up the car. Alright guys, so we're gonna try to do it in the front first because the sun kind of creeps up and we don't want to work in the sun, so we're gonna have to work in the front first. But quick little montage right here. Alright guys, so a couple things you guys need, right? Obviously you need the paint. You're gonna paint the calipers. You got your little nice clear coat and everything. We're gonna go ahead clean the brakes. We got brake clean, brake parts cleaner. We got that. Then we got your little wire brush here. Start cleaning the brakes with the wire brush. Like I said, brake clean, brake parts. We're gonna go clean this first, then we're gonna go ahead put the bag over it, start painting them. As you guys can see, guys, caliper actually did get. You guys can see it looks cleaner, it looks brighter already. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, then we're gonna go ahead and start applying the paint. But we gotta cover everything first so we don't the headlights or any part of the car. So get our first whatever they call it, the first spray, very lightly, and then we're gonna wait a little bit, give it a second coat and a third coat, and then we'll go on with the gloss, and then yeah, we'll go wheel by wheel. And the only reason I can't do a lot of wheels is because I only got one jack, man, and so it's gonna be a struggle, going every wheel. But hey, gotta work with what we have. Let's make it happen. It's been a while. We're gonna go ahead, give it a second and final coat, then we're gonna spray the gloss on because this is pretty strong, so it sticks on well. We still got other 4 brakes, so we'll give it our second and final coat, and then yeah, we'll continue. Alright guys, we just got done spraying it. I'm gonna admit, this thing, I painted my wheels before with spray paint, and it took a while to dry, but these are drying almost instantly as soon as it touches the surface. I have not used the car. It's cold. I don't know why it's drying so much. If you guys can tell me, I'm just stupid right now, but I don't know. These dried up super quick. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put the clear coat on. Maybe put like 1 or 2 coatings, and we should be done with our first side of the calipers. And I'll show you guys the result, at least on this side, and then we'll show you the final result at the end. Now I'm gonna do the rest on my own. I'm gonna do the rest on my own. I'm gonna do the bag, all the 3 wheels, and I'm not gonna show them all just because you guys already know it's kind of repetitive. It's doing the same thing but in the back, so I'm not gonna, you know, show you guys every single wheel. But I will show you the final end results, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys do, make sure to, you know, drop a comment. It helps a lot, and you know, it's freaking awesome, and I really like talking to you guys. If you guys haven't followed me on BeDistinct on Instagram, go ahead, do it. It means a lot. And I love interacting with some of you guys. I like how it said some of you guys, because some of you guys are. Let's continue. Alright guys, so it just got done, and we gotta strip everything apart and then show you guys the final result, at least on this side, and then we'll show you the whole thing.